Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. I'm a stock market researcher and investor. I guide people about the stock market. I tell them to save, invest, and grow wealth. And of late, I'm also guiding people about cryptocurrencies. My main aim is very simple. Cryptos have a lot of scam. Cryptos have a lot of thieves. And to avoid people being scammed, I decided, okay, let me train these guys. Let me show people the clean way of doing it. No scam, no thieves, no nothing. I did master's computer science. I gathered a lot of knowledge. I've authored 2 books. You can grab the books. It has a lot of knowledge, a lot of insights that can guide you in trading cryptos. All financial markets move the same way. They go low, you buy. They go high, you sell. Down, you buy. Up, you sell. Down, you buy. Up, you sell. Same principle. Whether you are dealing with an orange, buy an orange at 5 shillings. It goes up to 10 shillings, you sell. Or you are dealing in the stock market. Buy Safaricom at 50 shillings or 40 shillings. It goes to 50, you sell. Same principle, same everything. Nothing changes. Ladies and gentlemen, my goal in cryptocurrency this year, and this should be your goal, and is the goal of everybody in my Telegram group, is to make 1 million shillings in a year. We are saving seriously, we are saving aggressively, and we are growing our money aggressively. Our goal in cryptos is to make 2% daily. We wake up very early at 2 a.m. in the morning to buy cryptos. And once we buy them, our aim is that they go up by 2%, then we sell. Like today in the morning, I woke up with members in my VIP group and we bought KP3R at 430. It went up to 460, 470, and we sold, making a profit about 3%, 4%, and we are out. Our aim is to make money daily. Our aim is that within a year, all of us should be millionaires. By saving aggressively and by growing our money aggressively. Our goal is to make 730% in a year. 730% in a year. You cannot make that anywhere. You cannot find that anywhere. No bank can give you that. No insurance can give you that. No SACCO can give you that. No treasury bills and bonds can give you that. Only cryptos can give you that. And again, if you are very smart. If you have the knowledge. If you don't have the knowledge, forget about cryptos. You'll make nothing. In fact, you'll make losses, and many people make losses. I welcome you to our VIP group. Join our VIP group and join our Telegram group. You will learn a lot of things and you'll make money. And our aim is to kick poverty out of Kenya. Kick poverty out of Africa. All of us can be rich if we invest in cryptos. Bye. See you in the next video.